Everyone, it's Rilakkuma
and Bagel Master.
And today I'm going to show you how to make a mini stress ball.
We made it from the dragon. Well, we're gonna use it from the dragon slime stuff
that we made in the past.
Yeah.
Not future. See, I think this is really a cute. Yeah.
Cutie.
So
would this work?
I don't know.
Yeah,
well,
because
so we're gonna get started. And wait, so this is the slime.
yeah.
Okay. This is the slime that we're going to use, and we're using a water balloon,
which is hard to use.
Yeah, and we're also using just like this. You can use this. It's like this net thing from that we got a Splash Catapult thing.
Splash Catapult.
Oh, I don't know what it said. And you can either use like a stocking with big holes, like a fishnet stocking.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's get on with it. So if you want, you can use a funnel to put your slime in, but we don't have a funnel, so we're just gonna squash it in. Okay, so this is how we do it. So if you guys don't have a funnel,
this is how we do it.
Okay, no, you put the slime in Bagel Master.
Yeah.
Okay, wait, you
Rilakkuma.
have to put it in separate chunks.
Yeah, I know.
Hang on, guys. So you spread it out with your fingers, and ask, like a family member or a friend
Or
to put the slime in, or hold. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, just put it in.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Okay, and you just press it in. Press it in.
I found it away like this. It just like goes.
Yeah. Is that all of it?
Yeah, I think.
Okay, so hang on.
This is
We're
cold.
just. I know. Okay, that's my one.
No, it's mine.
No, yours is this chunky one with lumps.
This one has a lump as well.
Well, that's mine. Bagel Master, that's mine.
Oh.
No, stop hitting the camera. Oh well, sorry guys. Okay, we're just gonna stuff this in some more, and we'll be back. So after you have put your slime into the water balloon,
You get this. It's just
no, you have to tie a knot.
Oh yeah.
So what you do is you push your slime. If you want it to be tight, you want it. So you want to push it all the way
Up here. Oh
yeah. So then it's like very well. You want it to be tight-ish, right? And what you do is you just twist it and twist it and twist it, like a lot. And so you want it to be hard-ish. So you, yeah. I don't know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Make
I'm
it
just
hardish.
yeah.
And
Oops, have
oh
I?
my gosh.
Oh no. Oh, no, I didn't do anything. Okay, so you want to make it tight. I probably said that 50 million times. Okay, so yeah, so this is tight-ish, and what you want to do is you want to tie a knot. Okay, so this is how I tie a knot with a balloon. So I tie it around both fingers.
I'm terrible.
Then I put it in, and then I put it just through the. I'm sorry, I'm not good at explaining things.
Absolutely.
Okay, and then once you have the knot, just push it down.
Yeah.
So then it's tight again.
Ooh, I want
and
to squish it.
hang on, I'm not done, Bagel Master. Just be patient.
No. No.
Okay, so I want to make this tight. So it's not tight that much, but well, just make it as much as you want. The tighter it is, the more bubbles you'll get in your, what is this called? In your mini stress ball. And if you want it to be a big one, then just
Use any
like a big batch of slime and
use
a bigger balloon
and
the same fishnet stocking.
Yeah.
And next step two. Okay, so get your stocking net thing, whatever, and put it in. Well, this is what I did with my other one. So what I did was I put this end part, just twisted it, and I put it in one of the holy things.
Holy, it's holy.
Yeah, I'm just putting it through.
The holy.
Sorry guys if you can't really see. So I put it in here, right? Okay, which side did it come through?
Wrong.
Okay, so this side. Okay, so what you do next is you just wrap the rest around.
The Holy Grail.
Okay, and then once you've done that,
Check out our slime video.
yeah, our slime creating video. Oops.
Yeah.
Well, there's a massive hole here. I'll be back, and when we just follow
my
those steps,
God.
but make sure you don't have a massive hole. So I'll be back once I've done this step. Sorry. Okay, so I've just put it in, and what you want to do is, I did it the wrong way. Oh well. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to just twist it. Camera, focus on the balloon, not the background. Okay.
There we go.
So you want to do this, not too tight, because then it will just be popping itself. Yeah, okay, so once you've done that, then you want to get a mini rubber band, like a loom band.
Or something like that.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Hang on, I think I made it too tight. Yeah, I'll be back once I got a loom band. Before that, I accidentally missed a step. You want to cut off like in a centimeter
Or a millimeter.
or half an inch, like that off. And yeah, now you get your rubber band.
Wait, with a ready-made squish ball. I mean, the stress ball.
So once you've done that, get your rubber band and put it over on, so it's like this, like that. What am I saying? Okay, so Bagel Master's just having a laugh attack. So behind the camera. Okay, so you just want to twist it. I made it too tight. Oh well, you guys can.
My fingers are numb.
Okay. No one needs to hear that. Oh my gosh, what have I created? So it seems to I have made it a little too tight.
Ow!
Well, if you guys want it to be tight, follow what I did. Okay, so now what you want to do is just cut off the excess, like that, and like that. And yeah.
Oh my god!
What have you done to the stress ball? You put all of it in that bubble. Why? Hang on, guys. Let me just fix this one, and I'll be back. Here is your stress ball, and yeah, have fun with it. I don't know what else to say. Well, you can squeeze it, and you can relieve stress with it.
And punch it.
You can squeeze it. That's the main thing. And the bubble is staying out. Okay.